What if the answer to your anxiety was written over 2,000 years ago? A forgotten philosophy, born in chaos, forged in war, and practiced by emperors, could be the key to finding peace in your modern world. This is the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, and today it might just save your mind. The mind races, the heart pounds, and suddenly everything feels out of control. Anxiety, the silent storm millions of people face every day. But what if an answer was written over 2,000 years ago? What if ancient wisdom could calm your modern mind? This is the story of how Stoicism, a forgotten philosophy of strength, reason, and inner peace, can help you take back control. This is how Stoicism can help you manage anxiety. Number 1. The anxiety epidemic. We live in an age of connection, and yet anxiety has never been higher. The average human today experiences more micro-stress in a week than a Roman soldier did in a year. Our minds are overstimulated, our attention hijacked. Our nervous systems are stuck in survival mode. But anxiety isn't just a medical condition, it's also a philosophical one. Number 2. What is Stoicism? Stoicism began in ancient Greece and reached its peak in Rome. Its most famous teachers, Marcus Aurelius, emperor and warrior, Seneca, statesman and thinker, and Epictetus, a slave who became a master of the mind. Stoicism teaches us one truth above all. You cannot control the world, but you can control your response to it. That one idea is the antidote to anxiety. Number 3. Core Stoic principles to beat anxiety. The dichotomy of control. The Stoics taught there are two kinds of things: the things within our control and everything else. Anxiety thrives when we try to control what we cannot. Peace begins when we focus only on what we can. Amor fati, love your fate? Instead of fearing what might happen, the Stoics practiced amor fati, love of fate, not just accepting what happens, but embracing it, learning from it, rising through it. Premeditatio malorum, prepare for the worst. Before battle, the Stoics asked, what could go wrong? Visualize failure, prepare for it, and suddenly, it loses power over you. Anxiety fades when the unknown becomes familiar. Memento mori, remember you will die? Morbid? Maybe. But the Stoics used mortality not to fear life, but to cherish it. You could leave life right now, wrote Marcus Aurelius. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Anxiety dissolves when every moment is lived fully, without attachment to the outcome. Number 4. Modern application Stoicism isn't just for Roman emperors. Today, CEOs, soldiers, therapists, and athletes turn to it to stay grounded. Tim Ferriss, Ryan Holiday. Even Navy SEALs train with Stoic ideas. The next time anxiety strikes, pause. Ask, is this within my control? If yes, act. If no, release it. That's Stoicism. We're number 5, the daily practices. You don't need to wear a toga or move to the mountains. Stoicism is lived in small, daily acts. Journal your thoughts every morning. Reflect on what you can control. Accept discomfort as part of growth. Practice gratitude, especially during pain. Repeat Stoic mantras like armor for the mind. Anxiety doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're alive, and your mind is trying to protect you. But your mind needs a leader. That's where Stoicism comes in. You are not your panic. You are not your fear. You are the calm in the chaos, the captain of the ship, the observer, not the storm. He who fears death will never do anything worthy of a living man. Seneca. Embrace the philosophy. Practice it daily, and you'll find Stoicism doesn't remove the storm. It teaches you how to stand still within it. If this documentary helped you, share it with someone who needs peace today. Like, subscribe, and remember, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Choose peace.